Happy birthday.
It's a birthday present.
You get your birthday present a couple days early because you're traveling on your birthday. Oh,
You can touch
like it, Mila?
Touch.
It's your first birthday present.
She's a little hesitant. Is it a little bit big? Is it a little big? She wants to.
Touch. Henry's gonna get in it before you.
No, Henry, that's for Mila.
It's a big old doggy chair. You like it? Happy birthday.
Look how excited you are.
And she's running.
I think she's a little afraid of it. She likes it, but she's a little hesitant.
She's doing that quivering thing again.
No.
Touch it. Touch. Touch. So excited.
Happy birthday, honey.